Hey guys, very quick video tonight just to tell you the winners for last week's challenge, the Morse code. We had some very creative entries, so well done everybody. But here are the first, second and thirds. So in third place we have Max. Well done Max, good job. In second place we have Lewis B. Well done Lewis, awesome. But in first place and winner of the winner's woggle is, drum roll as usual, Jack W. Well done Jack, awesome job. We do have to make a very special mention though for a very creative entry. Oakley and his Minecraft one was especially good. So yeah, special mention for Oakley, really well done. Jack W, your woggle will be in the post tomorrow. See you all Friday. Bye bye.